We are X-FAB. An international company with 6 manufacturing sites in Germany, France, Malaysia, and the US. We think automotive, providing solutions for safe, efficient, comfortable, and connected transportation. Making chips for cars has been our core business for almost 30 years. With our technologies and IP, we support the transition from combustion engines to electrical vehicles. We make cars safer. ICs control tire pressure and drive mechanics and hydraulics. Adaptive headlights illuminate the road ahead for better visibility. To ensure that autonomous driving cars will always keep you safe, sensors made at X-FAB monitor the external environment. We make cars more efficient. Our robust, high-voltage CMOS and wide bandgap technologies control electric vehicle motors and battery chargers. Combined CMOS and MEMS solutions optimize the engine operation and reduce emissions. We make cars more comfortable. Solutions for sensors and motor drivers for climate control or interior ambient lighting make you feel at home. With haptic feedback solutions, you can use touchscreens while keeping your eyes on the road. We make connected transportation possible. Our RF technologies enable vehicle-to-vehicle communication for safer transportation. We provide solutions for 5G network connection and high-bandwidth Wi-Fi in your car. At X-FAB, we think automotive.